No, it drives really good, but I literally have like an echo in my ear right now, like I can't hear shit.
What's up, man?
Yelling, how's it going? I have an echo. No, perfect. All right.
How's the fuel cell?
Doesn't feel very good. Like the exhaust just vibrates the whole freaking car. Like my ears hurt. There's no exhaust.
No, they're really cool some days and jerks the other days.
Yeah, it depends.
So the boys here driving Irvin's Driveshaft. TK's finally working, carrying something heavy today.
Oh gosh, look at that.
Like it beefy,
Don't record it.
right?
That's nice. I got it. Okay, it's a lot bigger than I thought. Never mind about the exhaust.
Yeah, that's gonna be the one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
You know you get good service when they even clean the drive shaft for you.
Got to, man. You know the dust is gonna add some weight to your car.
I know. My brain, no calling.
Axel's drive shaft going up today. The man himself.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited. I'm gonna do my first pull. I don't care about the exhaust. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, dude. And if I break something, they have spares here. So.
Driving out of here fully understaffed today, guys. Stay tuned to the YouTube. We're gonna show you a full install. Check it out, guys. We took the stubbies out in order to drive around without your CBs. You have to put the stubbies in to keep the bearings together. If you don't, even if you're trying to push a car around, the bearings will get really messed up. So that's it. All the stubbies are out. Now we're gonna put the other axle on this side. Good times. Back from ART. What about the ART? You got some business?
Yes, sir. More bars. Basically, just getting some more bars done for the exoskeleton cage of it. So the last two bars that we're doing here for this top part of the cage, basically are going to come here and then brace into these plates that we're building. And then from there, we're going to build out just the same thing, like a tube frame for the front end of this thing. That's going to be our actual core support. So once we get that in and figure out the shape and how this looks, then we're going to basically try to match this angle here so it looks like this bar is coming out of the front of the shock tower, and then frame it out across the front as well.
All right, cool. What do you think? What do you think?
That's insane, dude. that's definitely a death trap. Someone's gonna get hurt in that, man. It's crazy.
Oh no, we're just gonna take it to go get Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah, that's why the bars are apart. Yeah.
Better. I think we need to get some. Let's see. What drive shaft are you getting? 60K fluid? Honestly, where does broccoli come from? Dude, why are you asking me this? I don't know.
Drive shaft time. Of course, you guys know he's getting this stage tube, 3-inch tube, 1310 joints, 30K viscous coupler. Vicious coupler. Viscous.
TK, can you
spin
that?
Gosh. Viscous.
Can someone spin that
I'll
up?
spin it up. Oh, crap.
You gotta hold it.
Oh.
You have to hold it.
Yeah, hold it. You want me to hold it? I'm holding the drive shaft.
So we have TK working today.
A rare occasion.
First time and last time.
We would clap, but we can't because we're all working. Okay,
That's good right there?
Yeah.
He's on his tippy toes.
So put it closer. Just put it like back here. Like right on here.
Okay, lift it up, lift it up. Lift it up.
Someone say, tell Gilbert I said what's up. I don't know who Gilbert is.
We don't have no
There's
Gilbert.
not a Gilbert here.
Gilbert?
I don't know. They said TJ and Gilbert.
What's up, dude? No.
That's TK. Not TJ.
All right, Mike, you could pull back.
EK
Just
has.
pull it.
No,
Yeah,
it's
go.
TK,
Go.
not TK.
Here, Mike.
Under the car box.
Come on. He's like, I brought it.
Here's the 30K
You
viscous
got
coupler.
Mike, Chad, Pam. No, Pam isn't here.
Hashtag
Here.
Oh, no,
That's
Mike,
hashtag
Chad
Pam
was
can't hang.
This is
That's Pam. This is Cam.
Chad. Okay, you know everybody, man.
Tell that guy to send me a hat.
They want a hat, dude. Help
Someone
me.
send me a hat. I'll wear it. Come on, look. I need a fresh hat.
Oh, Pam did their debut.
And then I'll embroider his Instagram.
Check it out, guys. Straight. This is where the bars are gonna go. Dropping these up to get the markings down first. Put it back down. Thank you. Come off this a little bit first. Yeah, come off this a little bit because I can't. Okay. Go. Yeah, you gotta go just a little bit and stop before the wheel comes on. Right there, right? No, a little bit more. Right there, stop. That one's good, yeah. Yeah, good. KK is getting ready to drill the hole, guys, so that way when the bracket, the piece of metal that we have is welded to the car, this will be bolted right to it. So just open up the hole right now, that way the bolt can fit through it loosely. Damn, boy, you like knocking the shit out.
My arms are tired.
I know.
I'm holding them above my body because they weigh a lot. It's like gained weight.
I know. But don't worry, you're getting there. Arms are getting big. Check it out, all cleaned up. Ready to weld these on.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean these. I'm gonna clean all these off because they're a little rusty. They're sitting for a day.
Getting those pieces of metal tacked up here. Chad welded that one right now, but he tacked it up first. And coming. Spraying up, guys, because you know we don't want no rust. Looking good. After that, put the brackets up.
I feel like I'm in the Fast and Furious movies. I get fed watching people work on cars.
Hey, what do we
Good
say
time.
around here? Family.
This is family, yeah.
Wrapping it up. Take a look, guys. All up there now. Oh, sprayed up and nice. Another one. It's done.
It was beautiful.
It's done.
I'm excited.
Yep.
I'm gonna get all the ladies now.
Oh, you always forward gripping? Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get those numbers real quick.
Them digits.
Yeah.
He's ready to drive out of here now, guys. It looks really good. Forward gripping. You gonna be at H-Day or maybe?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to H-Day. So a lot of people are asking me if I'm gonna be there. I'm actually leaving a week early, but I'll definitely be there unless something happens. Let's hope not, but I'll be there. I'll be there.
All right, H-Day. You're gonna be there. Check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check him out at H-Day.
Yeah, this is the final touch, the most pretty part. I've actually been waiting for this. A lot of people have been giving me comments about this because you do remove this and it's very pretty. So I'm official, man. We're all-wheel drive. Look at this, dude.
Official.
I can see my whole face now as soon as I remove this. Yo,
Look at that.
this.
Nice.
It's near finished. Look at that. It's beautiful. Official all-wheel drive Civic driving out of here. Look at that.
Official.
Sick. Beautiful.
Oh, drive the world, bro.
Yep.
Welcome to the club.
Yep, we got it, man. I did it. All-wheel drive. Sick.
Yeah.
Last part.
The last part, that extra horsepower. Here we go.
Last part.
This is how the 30K is really gonna kick on.
This is the last part.
And that's straight, my youth.
Oh yeah, there it is. Nice.
All right, guys. There it is. There it is.
Official.
Official.
Yep, we're done here.
Thanings again for choosing us.
Thank you guys.
Yep.
You
Don't
guys are
forget to like and subscribe.
And drop a comment.
There we go. Yeah. It's all. Here we go, guys. It's official. It's official. It's official.
That's so sick.
So sick. Official. Yeah, man.
All four, man.
All four. Check it out.
Village and Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game. That's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will and deep, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the
Yeah, I was gonna say not right here.
No, I wasn't gonna do it here. I was just gonna say bye to everyone.
Okay, cool.
One of those in my life.
Oh shit! You got it.
S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get going. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
See you at
H-Day.
Bye, guys. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. See you guys later.
Another one.
Have you gripping S1, all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping.
Don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah. Warming up that A6. The Florida got the street cred. We rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch. B-Series or a ZC. And that LSV tech. Hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips. And ain't no 12 to catch us, so. K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF. Go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX. Before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1, all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. All-wheel gripping. S1, all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.